this spring, Rivermont Avenue in Lynchburg comes to life.
Surrounding the Rivermont area are a number of local coffee shops, restaurants, and local hotspots. We are here at Palmera House.
Described as a bodega cafe and a retail shop, the Palmera House has a really fun and inviting atmosphere. It's perfect for a workspace or meeting a friend for lunch.
So we're gonna go grab a smoothie.
As we make our way off of Rivermont, we pass this recognizable landmark, St. John's Church. Constructed in the mid-19th century, this church features Gothic Revival architecture with beautiful pointed arch doors, a brick facade, stained glass, and a distinctive steeple. Connected to the church is their day school, and the day school offers faith-based education in addition to childcare. Both the church and the day school partner with local charities to serve the community. This newer development has seen a lot of growth with plenty to offer, from culinary goods, a trendy eatery offering seasonally driven, locally sourced fare and cocktails, as well as a couple of very popular and well-known coffee spots.
As we are walking down Rivermont Avenue, we are just walking distance from one of my new listings. So let's head that way. I am here with Cade Shipman. Cade, you saw this home a few years ago when it went on the market. So I wanted to know what drew you to this home, if you could share a little bit of the history.
So I love the historic Rivermont area, and that's what brought me to this area specifically, but the house really just had so much charm. Whether it was the 10-foot ceilings, all the trim and detail throughout the house, the brass finishes. There was a lot of potential that just hadn't quite been tapped into yet. And I think we've restored it back to its full potential.
Well, we're going to take you around and show you a little bit about what Cade has done and the renovations that he has put into this home.
So one of the rooms that caught my eye when I was touring the house was this funny room here where I kind of wondered what's its purpose. So I found out back in the day, it used to be the porch. It was then closed in, and through some old records I found, it was used as a butler's pantry at one point. So I've cleaned it up, got it looking good, but basically it's now just a fun corridor between a living space and the kitchen. So originally, this was truly the butler's pantry of the home. There would have been a swinging door here and one behind you, Christy. This was later in the 80s turned into a bathroom, which it very much was 80s. So I came in, redid it, and made sure I had a more classic approach that would have been more time sensitive to the house. So we have the functionality of a half bath on the main floor with a little bit more of a time sensitive take. So one of the things that caught my eye while I was touring the home was, why is there a doorbell in the upstairs hallway? So I looked into it a bit and found this is actually an original butler's bell, and it actually still works.
Rivermont embodies the perfect blend of history and modern living, with an active vibe that welcomes both young and old.
Whether you're looking for the perfect place to call home or the best of what Lynchburg has to offer, Rivermont Avenue has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep chasing your American dream.